Welcome to Scania Södertälje. My name is Tony Persson and I'm the head of Scania's battery production. This is our new battery factory in the heart of our industrial operations. Scania Battery Factory is an arena, a facilitator if you'd like, for Scania to reach the science-based target. It reassures cross-functional work and cross-brand within the Traton Group commitment and work together. We started in 2019. It's a multi-million investment that we have here.
When fully ramped, the operations here at Scania's battery factory will consist of approximately 550 employees. Today we consist of employees from 5 different continents within all age groups. We also have a good combination of employees with previous Scania experience as well as external recruits. Different experiences and perspectives is and will continue to be key to our success.
We have 2 lines producing batteries for us. Here we consume 1 cell every second. It's a really high rate of consumption, and that is supported by a highly optimized material handling with automatic guided vehicles and forklifts. The cells are assembled into modules. The modules are assembled into packs. The packs are supplied to the final assembly where they are mounted to our trucks. The Scania battery factory is close to our final assembly of trucks. This is to ensure short lead times and good feedback loops from the final assembly to our battery production to have the best products out on the market as soon as possible.